First test, number of samples. I have a transducer connected via this cable here. This LEMO is connected to this test transducer right here. Okay? So I can take readings with it, see? All right. I just captured a peak. It was saving the, okay, there's another peak. And you see it's telling me whether it passed or failed the limits. My first target is 15, so I'm going to try to hit 15 exactly or close here. Oh, that was too far. Anyway, that was the third sample. I'm just turning this with my fingers. You would use your HY stand and actually put a torque on it. Okay, that was the last sample. Now it will go to the next test as soon as it finishes. That all right, it says target finished, target 15. Press any key. So I'll press any key, I just press 0. Now it's telling us this is the next test we set up. You see, the target right there, 10. Number of samples. So I'm just going to whip through these samples fast. Okay, there's one. And now I'm going to go ahead and pause because you don't need to really see me make 8 samples here. All right, so we finished the second test run. And it's just telling us that we finished that target. So I'll hit a key, any key. And finally, the last test that we programmed in for a target of 20 and 4 samples. So same deal, we'll just run the samples. That the long wait in between samples is because we chose to save curve data. There's a lot of curve data. If you do not check the curve data checkbox when you set up the tests, then these tests go much faster. All right, I'm going to pause again until we finish this run. Okay, after taking the last sample of the test, this is what we see. It tells us the target's finished, the tool is finished, we're all done. So now when I press any key, we're now back at the tool selection. So now, to upload the data to the PC, here's what we do. First, let's hit 0 to get back to just the regular display. Put the tool, put the tester back in, press menu, link to PC, press select. The tester is now ready to send data to the PC. Okay, next, after we prepared the tester to send data, we just come back to the program and we click Read Data from Tester. You see it's reading the curves, it's reading all the data. There's a lot of data in there. So I guess the date and time stamps were not good. That's okay, we just need to set that up on the tester. Click this over and over to get rid of that message, okay, because it's going to give me that for every sample that didn't have a good. Anyway, we can still view the data here. Go to the View Data tab, and here we are. There's my tool. Here are the torque readings for each of those samples. Okay. Date and time looks okay, so I'm not sure why it was telling me. Oh, yeah. That's just right now. All right, so anyway, down here, you can click on these and see the torque curve. There's the curves for each of these samples. And that's how it's done.